Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, July 31st, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Um, Today, actually, we had a very good day today. Some of it was a bit lucky. Uh, we had a bunch of positions. Well, not a bunch. We had only five positions coming in, but they went really well on the open this morning with this higher open in the Dow. And we got out of those five positions with close to $13,000 in closed out profits, and that was really good. Because this is the last day of the month, I am transitioning into a new portfolio tomorrow. And I'm dropping 37 stocks from the old portfolio. I'm adding 37, but those 37 we add don't start until tomorrow. So we were working with a reduced portfolio of only 13 stocks today. So as a result, we got out of our stocks here on the open very good. And then this huge sell-off we had today didn't affect us because with those only 13 stocks that we're trading, we only got two positions. So we only had two positions on for this big sell-off. Both those positions are negative, and they total negative $4,600. But that could have been a lot worse if we had a bunch of positions. It's just the way things worked out with this transitioning into the August portfolio. So as a result, we had a really good day. Um, it's funny. I've done the spreadsheet for July, and in spite of the fact we had 2 days in July where our losses were over $20,000. That last one, I think we're down $24,000 for a day. In spite of those huge, big losing days, we still made $27,000 for July, and that's not a huge profit, but it's respectable, and we get out of July with profits. That's the main thing. So I'm pretty darn happy about that. You can see here the Dow just really tanked at the end of the day. This had to do with the Federal Reserve. Believe it or not, the Federal Reserve cut interest rates today. You think, well, why doesn't stocks go up when they cut interest rates? Well, everybody knew they were going to cut interest rates, and they only cut it a quarter of a point, and some people were hoping they'd cut it a full half point. So because they only cut it a quarter of a point, what happens? Stocks go down. It's just the insane psychology of the stock market. It's truly impossible to figure out sometimes. Well, anyway, the Dow officially is down 333 points for the day. I'll bet you anything goes up tomorrow, though. We'll see. Anyway, I only have one stock to show you. This was our biggest one. This is Silica Holdings Incorporated, and we had bought that yesterday on this gap up, and then it moved really nicely all day long, and then it gapped up again this morning, and we got out of there with almost $9,000 in profit. Now, we were just lucky today. I mean, this just has to do with this transition. This thing actually got re-entered up here, and the re-entry closed negative. But we didn't take the re-entry because this stock is one of the ones I'm throwing out of the portfolio. So we took the exit on it. We did not take the reentry because it's not in our August portfolio. So we had a bit of luck today on this transition. I will be working late tonight, but I will get out this new portfolio to all my customers before I go to bed today. It could be late, but I'll get that out. And we will start trading that new portfolio tomorrow on August 1st. So until then, this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.